Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the camera settings and features of your device Vivo Y35. So if you want to learn about this, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the camera settings and features of your device Vivo Y35.